Good morning. It's 6:31, April 14th. Taking a look at GJ over here. And we're continuing down. Let's see. James, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Thank you.
How's work been?
That's not too bad.
You
It's on
like
and off. Sometimes you get busy, other times it's quiet.
with funding talent, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Good stuff. So I'm looking at GJ. It looks like we're just ranging over here. We had a nice move coming down. Could we be coming down to the support right over here and then eventually right down here? Would love for.
Yeah.
What was
Did
that?
you take that sell yesterday? Did you take the sell yesterday?
What did I take yesterday? Let's see. Yesterday, let's see. I had this. Yeah, I had this sell right here. I caught the wrong move. There was this one right up here. My stop loss was way too tight. And I ended up managing risk and getting out. And then I took this basically right after the correct trade. And my stop loss was actually too wide on this one. I could have put it above this candle right over here. I was just being conservative after losing that trade. But I had a good feeling that we were going to come back down and retap these areas at 149.790. So that's the one I took. And then I took gold buys pretty quickly. Or gold sells. Let's see what I got yesterday.
It was insane how fast it moved yesterday.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I grabbed like a 5-minute candle right here. Closed the full thing at 10 pips. That was it. Alan, David, what's up, boys?
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. So I'm looking at GJ over here. Let's see. This is the 15-minute. Looks like the 15-minute is snapping back a little bit, reacting to this area over here. Alan, I feel like I haven't talked to you. How you been, man?
Yeah, good, bro.
Good shit.
Yourself?
I'm doing great. Doing just great.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Catching some trades?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm just trying to figure out GJ right now because we are ranging. You know, looking at the 1 hour, we're right back into this range. We made that drop yesterday, right? And then we snapped right back in. You could always put this right down here, right?
Yeah.
Let's get rid of this. Yeah, but we're printing sideways. We are making lower highs. Right over here. Got a lower high, lower high. So are we coming down to retest these lows and continue bearish? It could be. All right, so EJ, we're ranging again. If you guys take a look at EJ, it's just it's been a mess. This is EJ on the 4 hour. Why anyone would want to trade this is beyond me. Let's see. Oh, James. Gold. Okay. Enter the price close. Oh, this was the one last night. I saw this during London. Good shit, man.
Yeah, that's one I took like an hour ago.
Nice.
I closed it because it's coming down to that strong level.
We tested the structure. There's. Okay, nice. Not Alan, but James, you said you were struggling with something. Was it more your schedule?
It was more just missing trades, really. Because I would look at it and then I'd look away and then it would be already gone. Or I would enter too early or too late.
Got it. Okay. And is that because of your schedule?
Yeah, more the fact that I'd be looking at, like, let's say GJ when I'd be trying to get to trade in gold, or I'd be looking at other pairs.
How many pairs do you actually look at?
It's only two, but like, let's say I'd have GJ open trying to like analyze it,
Yeah.
and then the gold trade would have already went, and then it always happens. I only get one pair right because the other one always goes without me.
Yeah. You just have to have your main pair. And which one is that?
This week I've only traded gold.
Okay. But like, is gold your main pair or is GJ your main pair?
It was GJ, but I kept missing all the boosts. Then
Because you kept
I
looking
went
at
to
gold.
gold, and then yeah,
Yeah, like I said, you
it's either
just
one
have
or
to
the
have
other.
your you just have to have your main pair and have your main plan for that session. So like with my main plan, for gold, we are consolidating over here. So my main plan for gold is if we break below the support, we got a clean move to the left, and that's all I'm going to be waiting for the session. If we look at EJ, we're not looking at anything unless we break above like 13600. We could take this thing up, or if we break below, let's say 129,700, we could start coming down to correct this move to continue right back up. But other than that, I'm not really going to be wasting much time on EJ. GJ over here, looks like we're breaking down, and you had this consolidation over here to the left, right? So now we're breaking below it. We could be heading down. So I want price to close below this support right over here. And then we're gonna have a nice move. If we retest right here and head right back down. We got about, so this is gonna be my main play and the main thing that I'm looking at right now. You got about 30 pips to play with if we do break this support over here. Right? And the reason I want to wait for a retest and price closing in my direction is because we're already pretty bearish over here. So we're due for some kind of a pullback. And also we got this trend line that we've been respecting on the higher time frames. If you look over here on the 4 hour, we've been respecting this zone multiple times. So what are we doing over here? It does look like we're going to continue bearish over here to retest these lows. We're passing the low of the previous candle on the 4 hour, right? So it looks like we had a little bit of a fake out over here, and now we're continuing bearish. But we got a clean move to the left. We get rid of this. We go to the 1 hour. You get a clean close below this area. This is going to be our play today. And that could be a play because if we retest these lows, we should be heading down, especially with the bear structure that we have over here. So if we retest these lows, we get a nice little scalp right here. This scalp easily turns into an intraday or a swing trade. Maybe enter two positions, dynamic risk. One position where you plan on holding the rest of the day. The other position, you're going to scalp it for the most part. Secure 80%. What's up, Chris? How you doing, brother? Gio?
What's up, man? Good morning.
Here. What's up, boys?
How's your Dogecoin doing?
I sold my shares. I've been holding those since the Super Bowl and a little bit before that.
Crazy.
Yeah, that was pretty nice to wake up. I figured at some point that once we get like a nice little bull run going, we're gonna get them on most of these coins, especially with Coinbase going public today.
Mm-hmm.
Is it today or tomorrow?
It's today.
Okay. Yeah, so with that going on, we're gonna have a lot of cryptos.
You're saying it's about 100 billion valuation.
That's awesome. Oh yeah. I saw. I was reading that too. Yeah, it gained like something like 30% on Doge.
Yeah, dude. Like my XRP, I'm up like I don't know, like 1,000%.
Let's go. Love hearing that.
Well, they still have a lawsuit from they're saying that SEC SEC is claiming that they're not a crypto. They're saying that it's a security. So they want to regulate it.
I mean that Bitcoin is a security
That's
or
what.
Coinbase.
Oh, no, they're saying that XRP Ripple
Mm,
is a security, and it's not the same as Ethereum or Bitcoin.
that's strange.
But yeah, that's what they're claiming.
Yeah, because they want a piece of it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see what happened with Jack Ma and Alibaba?
Oh, the fine? They fined them?
Yeah, they fined him $2 billion.
Well, it all started when he started speaking out, right?
Yeah. Do you think he knew that all that was going to happen if he started speaking out?
Well, at some point, I think, as you know, as the CCP, um, I mean, no, if you're running a business over there, you can't go above the government. You know, it's
Mm-hmm.
not like here, face like social media. You know, they can. they're, I think I would say they're the most powerful
Oh, yeah.
institution in the world. Before it was, powerful man in the world would be the U.S. president, but
Yeah,
now it's just they can block the president. Like, they can silence him.
yeah. That's scary. They shouldn't have that much power.
I don't know if you saw that interview of the guy who bought the most expensive NFT.
No, what happened?
Well, he was saying that kind of like social media is becoming like the digital government.
Wow, he said that?
Yeah, basically, because he lives in Singapore, and he was like, "There's no way I'm gonna go to United States because United States government is just like they want a piece of every asset that you have."
Mm-hmm.
So
That's,
basically, they want control of their people.
don't even get me started.
It's just very like interesting to hear like every point of view, every individual.
Oh, I know. I mean, different people think the government should be run different ways, you know?
Right.
It should just be law and order, it protects you from protects your rights, stuff like that. But when you start getting crazy, they start doing things they want to do like that, it gets scary. It just doesn't feel like an American government.
But yeah, with Jack Ma, I think what he's trying to do is he's probably trying to go against CCP. He's trying to maybe wants to take over because he's a very well known man,
Oh,
like
yeah.
not only in China, but all over the world, I would
Oh,
say.
yeah.
So I would say like most people, they probably know Jack Ma than the President Xi or their leader.
Mm.
So I think I don't know if he's trying to aim for that or what.
I mean, yeah. If he's playing with that fire, trying to be more well. I mean, he is more well known, right? Like you just said.
I would say, yeah.
Actually, I don't know. In a government like theirs, I don't know. It's actually a good question. Yeah, so we got about 40 pips to play with in here. Anybody else looking at this?
Or, yeah. GJ?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just waiting for any kind of low to be created or just like a little retest right here. And we're going to be heading down. Something like this.
I took a sell out 149.994.
9-4?
Yeah, 994.
You took a sell right. 9-4.
994.
Okay.
Yeah.
This didn't concern you over here?
Nah, not really. I don't know. I kind of seen these for a little bit.
No. Nice. So would you put your stop loss, Dave?
Put my stop loss on the 15 minute on top of the. I put my stop loss on 159.94.
150.
194 on the 15 minute.
Oh, 194.
Yeah.
Oh wow, all the way up here. Okay.
I'm 12 pitch. I'm 11 pitch right now.
Nice. Oh, so you took it from here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
All the way down, yeah.
Good shit, man.
I'm trying to write it all the way down.
I thought you meant you took it right here.
No.
Good shit. So we just sit here and we wait. It's Wednesday already? I guess.
Come on.
I gotta post all my trades for the week. Let's take a look at fundamentals. Lagarde speaking, Powell speaking today, oil inventories today, FOMC speakers today. Nah, Chris, not yet. I'm waiting for this retest right over here and candles closing in our direction or a pass of this support over here. But, you know, you see how this move over here so not overextended, but, you know, the cells are pretty extended. We had a retest over here on the 15-minute right here, about halfway through. So now that we're coming below this support over here, previous support, all right, I'm waiting for some kind of a retest to take price all the way back down. Mirror this move. That's the only thing I'm looking at so far. Let's go back to gold real quick. There we go. So gold might be a nice play as well. We're passing the low of this wick over here. What time is it? 6:52. So we have a nice clean move to the left to take gold right back down, which will be nice. But I'm going to wait for a close below this support over here to take something like this. But I do like gold. Get a couple options today on the currency markets. What's everyone else looking at? Gio, you looking at anything?
Well, same thing.
Cool.
GJ close below that support.
Yeah.
And maybe a retest because it's just like super bearish from the London Open.
Yeah, I'm waiting
And then
for some kind
gold
of a
about the
retest.
same thing.
Yeah.
Except this this range.
Absolutely. Let's see what we get. So this is gold on the top left corner real quick on the 30-minute. Just going to keep this here so we could see everything. This is normally the 1 hour for GJ. So got a clean move to the left. Just going to draw this real quick. So how do you guys feel about your trading so far this week? Alan, James, David?
Doing good.
Feeling good right
Some
now?
no trades yet.
Good shit. All right, we'll go one at a time. So Alan, where do you feel like you're at right now?
Uh, Still good, yeah, still being patient and everything.
Nice.
Couldn't be trading last days, yeah, because of work.
Yeah.
It's coming late, so yeah, but still same mindset, very calm, and
Oh man.
that's it, man.
Wow. All right, looking for a little retracement over here. I just did exactly what we were talking about, James. Okay, so that's okay. You don't get too excited. Just wait for a retrace. Hop right in. Anybody in GJ right now?
No, not me.
Okay.
Watching 15 candles and waiting because yeah, still dropping without confirmations.
Yes, sir. Gio, are you in yet?
Nope, waiting for it to close.
Perfect. 6:59.
It's closing below, so maybe a top pick for the next candle. And then
Exactly. All right, so I just entered 1% so far.
You're in, yeah?
Yes, sir. You all get quiet. Once we start breaking this 1 hour, 1 minute structure over here, as we're coming up to retest this little area, I'll enter another percentage. So we're kind of retesting this area. We wanted to respect this area and just continue to drop. So over here, let's enter another position. There we go. Good looks. Here we go, GJ. Maybe getting some exhaustion, some kind of a retest of this area over here and continue to drop. I like where my stop loss is at. You know, it's still back up in this range. But needs to continue making lower highs and lower lows. Let's go, GJ. Drop. Awesome. David, you're still in this, right?
Yeah, I took 80% when I got 20 pips.
Good job, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
James.
Good morning, boys. How we doing?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, another day in paradise.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
GJ right now.
Yeah, I was looking on that on the 1 hour. What's your 146? Yeah, nice.
Yeah, enter based on the 5 minute.
Very nice.
So I'm just hoping this.
Man, cryptos are flying, huh?
Oh yeah. Coinbase is going public today.
You basically doubled your money for Dogecoin if you had Dogecoin.
Yeah, I sold the rest of my shares.
Nice.
I saw Roy put that in there in in the crypto channel. Oh, we got to make a nutrition one, right?
Yeah, I think that would be badass.
100%.
Everybody share some bomb recipes.
As we're watching this, I'm sure this will be right up Gio's alley too.
That's what I was thinking.
Many. Been cooking a lot, James?
Either that or my mom cooking. So both are. I think y'all probably know which ones taste better. But just trying to learn all her recipes so when I dip out, I can recreate.
There you go.
I had trout and orzo rice last night.
Ooh, orzo's the best.
Yeah,
I don't even consider it rice. I think it's more pasta.
Yeah, pretty much. But it was good. Had some fruit and a protein shake. Yeah, dude, I'm so sore this morning from riding that bike. Holy shit.
Are you?
Yeah, my ass feels twice the size as it normally does.
That's good for now. See if that's everyone. I think we have a couple more people I gotta add, but awesome. Start that channel off. Okay, we may be getting like some kind of a retest over here on GJ. Wish I'd secured some down here. I was waiting for 10 pips. Yeah, this is some kind of a trouble area over here on the 15-minute. We're retracing a little bit. Should still be okay.
What's up, guys? Good morning.
Giovanni, what's up, buddy?
Morning, buddy.
Morning.
Looking at anything, Giovanni?
Yeah, I'm looking at gold, waiting.
Yeah, me too. Waiting for a close below the support over here.
Yep.
What time is 7:15? Continue to respect this.
Man, EJ looks like such trash right now.
EJ is gross.
It does this, man. It does this. It'll range for days, and then you'll get that close, a push, but golly.
I'm being pretty stupid with GJ right now. Yeah. That was stupid. Bad trade. I knew I should have secured down there.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it was a bad idea, but it may have been a little early.
No, it was a good idea.
I like the idea.
It's bad risk management. I was convinced that we were going to respect this and continue down, and it's never 100%. It's a good lesson for you guys, too. Great lesson for me. That's...
Maybe it would have been good to close a partial when the 15-minute closed bullish.
Yeah, 100%. Well, I should have secured where I did. Or where price was at. Let's see. Got greedy, kids.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's GJ.
It's mainly gold. That's GJ right now. With the way it's been, I should have known to secure.
Did you have 10 pips?
No. I think it was at most like 8. Or not even. I think like 7. It's all good. The 30-minute closed below, so it should still be good. Just getting a retest of this area, possibly. If that's the case, I'll give it a second chance. What are you looking at, James?
Well, nothing too much. Looking for maybe a swing on AU on the 4-hour if we can get a retest of support, or I mean of resistance there. Nothing really too crazy. Kind of waiting for USD CHF to set up on a potential swing, but nothing, no scalps really this morning. I don't really like how anything looks.
Got it.
Still kind of waiting on GJ. I really like the weekly on GJ though. I mean, it kind of looks like we should be. Yeah, I know we're not supposed to say should be, but I kind of like how it looks to head down for the rest of the week.
On GJ?
Just on the weekly.
Yeah, if we retest these lows down here, we should be continuing down.
Had a nice paper swing on USD CHF yesterday morning. played into the last night. That was pretty cool. Been a setup I've been back testing for quite a while now.
USD CHF.
Mm-hmm. It's it wasn't really the following the pair. It's just the setup that I've been watching for quite a while. I can send it real quick here.
Okay.
I was talking to Noah. Apparently, it's a pretty known setup. I just didn't know that people looked at it that way.
What's the setup?
It's like the. Here, hold on. Let me give me 2 seconds.
So yeah, that trade right there, that was not the market's fault. That was my fault.
So it showed up on DXY as well. I guess USD CHF and DXY probably trends somewhat similar. Oh my God, James. Similarly. Oh my God, I can't speak this morning. But you all know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But like Noah said, people use it with trend lines with that third tap, which I didn't really think about. But it's more so just the structure of the 3 lower highs and then getting the close below support. And this one just happened to line up with a historical support. And then once you get that close below, then it should continue down to the next support.
So right over here?
So as long as it respects the EMA and then you get those kind of 3 lower highs, I've been seeing it just get a really nice push after it closes below support. And like I said, it just kind of worked out that it was a historical support.
Yeah.
And then really what I'm waiting is for it to close above that support, create a higher low, and then a swing to head back up to like 93,800.
Oh, that's why you have this?
Yeah. I'm just kind of waiting, see if I can see if that comes up, breaks the higher low,
Nice.
create the higher high, and then just kind of waiting for it to come to me.
Good shit, brother.
I think I might execute on that once if it happens. Just to
Get your confirms.
Yeah. Get my confidence up.
There you go.
But you got the divergence as well on the RSI. So if it all plays out, that'll be like 4 or 5 confluences to head back up.
You're diving into a lot, huh?
Yeah, well, I've been looking at that for a year now. So if I see exactly what I'm looking for, then I'll execute. But I try not to look at it at all like with intraday scalps because it's not really valid. But on the higher time frame, I think divergence, enough traders use it to where it'll have an effect on the market.
Absolutely. Good shit.
Hey, did you guys see Dogecoin yesterday?
Yeah, or today too.
Can people buy what's the XRP? What's that called? Ripple?
Yeah.
Are we allowed to buy that? I remember
believe
there was
so.
some like a lawsuit about it. I can't remember though.
I
Yeah.
saw it on it's on Robinhood. You could buy
Mhm.
Am I going crazy? Wasn't there a lawsuit about it?
Yeah, that's why I sold it.
Okay, nice. Damn.
it.
Yeah, but I sold it a long time ago. I bought it at 20 cents, bro.
What's it now? Let's see. $1.85. Holy shit. That's all right. Who would have known?
Because it kept going down, and I was like, damn, they're having a lawsuit now, you know? With cryptos, I don't really trust them that much. I don't know much about them.
I feel the same way, and I feel like I should start trusting them.
And look at Dogecoin, man.
Yeah,
Dogecoin
I
is going
stopped being
crazy.
a dinosaur a while ago.
Yeah, just like stop being a, what do you want to call it, a pessimist.
Yeah.
But like you it's kind of interesting on all of the cryptos. You get that initial push and then a pullback, and it's like, I don't know, it retests that high on all of them. Did the same thing for Bitcoin, Doge, Ripple. Like you wonder if on Doge we'll get back up to like $3,
Yeah.
Are you
just
still
because
holding
that was
your
the previous
Dogecoin,
high.
Stefano?
What's up?
Are you still holding your Dogecoin?
No, I literally just sold this morning. I gained like 30% on it.
Nice.
So I just figured, you know what? I've been holding it for a while now. Might as well. Cash it.
I've been reading a lot about NFTs, just trying to like understand what all that's going to be about, and
Yeah.
apparently, what is it? Ethereum. It may be a very interesting crypto to look at for the next few years. Something that's actually used instead of maybe Doge. I don't really know how much Doge is actually going to be used, or maybe just hype.
Yeah, I always thought Doge was like kind of like a craze. I tried to jump in it real quick. So I just figured I'd hold it because I knew cryptos were going to go up at some point. You know,
Yeah.
a lot of these coins were just going to go up once, you know, Bitcoin and all these cryptos got even more popular. So I just figured I'd hold it till that, and I finally got that last night. So just capitalized on it.
Yeah, the NFT world's really, really interesting. I'm trying to learn how to make them, but really you got to be have some sort of public celebrity type of standing
Yeah.
to make a lot of money on it, because you're kind of paying for the name, not just the
Exactly.
art. But I think if you can figure out how to make unique enough art, the people sell them for 60, 70, a couple $100 a pop, some $1,000. So if you can make cool art, you got to be pretty popular to get the money that's Logan Paul and the guy that started Twitter gets, where it's like 50 mil for a tweet or whatever it was.
100%.
I think it'd be cool if you could make like NFT GIFs of like the last play of World Series games where they, win the World Series, whatever the last play was. I think that'd be really cool. But I don't know I don't know who owns the rights to that. Or as long as you make it unique. I don't know.
That'd be pretty wild.
Yeah, I think that'd be I think people would buy that. Or if you could figure out a way to make like shoes, like really popular shoe gifs, whatever you want to call it.
That's right up Dio's alley.
Yeah, it's just like people paying so much money for it. It's like, why not try to figure out how?
Exactly. We got a nice plan, GJ, over here. Gold's still playing around.
You probably get that push around 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 100%.
Does anybody know any good back stretches? Lower back, upper back stretches?
If you sit down on the floor and you put like one leg over your knee, you know, like you step over your knee and then you twist, that's always a good one.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Just classic,
Those
like,
pull-ups
touch your
yesterday
toes and
really
shit.
killed my back.
It did?
Those pull-ups yesterday after
Oh,
I
really?
biked really killed my back
Mm.
in a good way, but I'm still sore.
I love feeling sore. It's a pain in
Yeah.
the ass, but you just really feel like you're putting a lot of work in.
It's crazy. I probably could have kept going on the bike if I didn't have to go to dinner.
Really?
Yeah.
You've been beasting.
It's telling y'all, read that book, man.
Oh yeah.
All y'all that hadn't read that book.
You're reading your next 5 moves right now?
Yeah, I listened to it a little bit last night. I'm gonna restart it. I didn't really listen to it very intensely when I was on the bike. I was kind of in my head about things.
Yeah, no, it's a little tough when you're working it.
Yeah, I'm thinking about asking my boss if I can start coming in at 7:30 so I can get up and work out in the mornings too. I'd have to get up at like 3:30 or 4 to work out right now.
You think I'll go for it?
Yeah, probably. I think he will. I've been pretty good here lately.
Gold finding support. We get a pass of the low of this 5 minute over here, probably going to, and that would be the pass of this candle as well, or just about. Probably gonna double the trade. A lot of seller's pressure. Let's go, GJ. Wow, what a title. This guy lost 20 billion in 2 days and is somehow still alive.
Do they think he's going to commit suicide or something?
I don't know. Well, I mean, he lost a lot of people their jobs at banks, lost banks a lot of money. I don't know if that's what they're insinuating, but
Popping.
that'd be a crazy title if that's what they're insinuating.
20 billion. Wow. It's like a country's GDP.
Yeah, it's insane. Started with 200 million. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Come on, man. Shit.
Nathan's not on?
What's up?
Nathan's not on?
What's not on?
Nathan?
Oh, Nathan. I guess not. He's been swimming in the mornings.
Nice.
Trades
I
London.
think swimming's supposed to be really good for you.
Oh, yeah.
It'd probably be good for my shoulders.
It is. Swimming's great for you. Great cardio, too.
And I'm a terrible swimmer, so might as well get better at it. Got a deep tissue massage this afternoon. I'm so fucking stoked for it.
That is.
I'm just going to tell her to go ham on my back. Just like go to town.
Yeah. The best.
And for a lady, she's got like, her grip is nuts. Her grip's probably stronger than mine is.
Really?
Yeah. And she'll like, she's pretty small, so she'll lay her whole body weight onto me. And it's like, oh my God. It feels so good.
Half. That's all. Do you go to her like on a regular basis?
I've only gone to her twice, but I enjoy talking to her.
That's awesome.
And she's pretty good at it, so it's a win-win. She's had a crazy life. It's pretty nuts.
Just don't be pulling any Deshaun Watson shit on her.
Yeah, no, she's like 50. So
Hey, you never know.
yeah, that's true. Her husband's job is sick. All he does is take people on fly fishing trips every morning. And if he doesn't have a trip or a schedule, whatever, he just goes out and fishes by himself.
That's awesome.
Like, man, that's sick. Simple life. So I've just been kind of following Apple from a technical perspective, just out of curiosity.
Mhm.
And like on TradingView, you know how it has the earnings at the bottom of the screen for stocks,
Yeah.
like the little earnings bubbles. If you click the last, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically the last half dozen earnings reports, Apple just crushes expectations every single report.
Oh yeah.
Last one was 18%. One before that, 4. One before that, 25%. One before that, 15%. Like, Jesus.
Damn.
Like every single one, dude. 5%.
Yeah, I have like 5
5%.
shares of Apple. I just hold on to them. I'm sick.
Yeah, like I mean, people aren't going to stop buying iPhones, and their services are probably what's making them a lot of money now too.
Oh yeah. Everything
Alright,
about Apple, it's something it's definitely a company to get behind. Someone's trying to speak. Keeps like breaking up. Damn, GJ's just playing around today. Pre-New York, typical.
It looks like GJ is respecting that previous support to the left
Oh, I know. You're saying this area over here?
on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
You can even draw a nice little zone there. Go up a
He
little bit.
keeps respecting this area.
Go up a little bit more. That one.
Yeah, I'm looking at that, but also these wick rejections
Mm-hmm.
to the left.
Look at gold now.
All right, boys, I got a jet, but I'll let y'all know if I see that setup I like on USD CHF, and if I take that swing. I think if everything plays out like I'm thinking, it should be really nice.
Awesome.
But
Please do.
y'all have a good rest of your day and go kill it today.
You too, brother. I'll see you
You too,
soon, all
man.
right? David, I'll
fellas.
see you soon as well. What's up, Darius?
Good morning, team. Good morning.
How are you?
Getting crazy, bro, with setting up magic keys and everything.
Oh, that's right. Were you having issues with it?
Yeah, just at the start, but right now, just getting comfortable with all the features, and at the moment, it's good.
Nice.
Just switching languages on MC5 between Italian, English. My PC is set up in English, and too many different things, too many different languages. I'm getting crazy, bro.
I bet.
Didn't have the time also today to take a look at GJ in the London session.
Yeah, DJ's playing around over here. Let's see. Yeah, we need GJ to break this level, close below this level over here, and then we should be solid. This candle closed with no here. This candle closed with no bottom wick over here either. And we rejected this area one more time. Flip bullish, close bullish. So are we trying to retrace on the higher time frames? Just like on the 30-minute, retrace it real quick and then continue down, retest it? Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe, baby. See if I get EJ. Probably nothing. Small ranges, sideways printing. You want to stay out of that.
Yep, that's our favorite setup, man. Sideways printing. Oh, gee.
Gio, you sitting back?
Yeah, just waiting right now. I'm waiting for a retest in the higher time frames. Maybe
Yeah.
like 30 minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too. That's probably what we're gonna get. Maybe, unless we just respect this support over here. But we did create this low, which is good for New York volume. If we do create a resistance right here, then this should be good to continue down. All right, that was close out of that one. Done for the day. Four. Closed. Four. Yeah, it's been a while since I had a day like that. Let's see.
Yeah, there was a volcano eruption in Iceland.
Is that rare?
I don't know. It's been erupting since March 19th.
Damn.
It's crazy. It's cool.
Dude, this planet is insane.
Yeah. Hey, you saw what happened to the Nuggets?
Nuggets?
Yeah.
No, what happened?
They lost their point guard.
Who, Murray?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, he got an
Torn
ACL.
ACL.
What?
Torn ACL.
Uh-oh. Last night?
The other night, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday.
That's not good.
Nope.
That's unfortunate.
That sucks, man. They
Yeah.
trained too hard, and he's a good player.
Oh, yeah, no. He's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I just want the NFL draft.
And I want the season to start.
I know.
I want to watch some football on Sundays.
I know. I miss it.
Mondays.
I want some football with people in the crowds.
Mm-hmm. You saw that now they might start accepting fans with vaccines.
What do you mean?
Yeah, they're gonna start opening up the stadium for fans with vaccines.
Oh, my God.
That's good.
So you can only get in if you got the vaccine?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
You gotta show proof. I think everywhere you go now is gonna be like that.
It can't be. We got a lot of people that don't want to take it.
Mm-hmm. I have friends that haven't done their vaccines yet.
You got yours?
No, I haven't done mine.
Mm.
I have to do it.
A lot of the Asian countries are requiring a special vaccine passport
Yeah.
to get in, and the UK's developed one, but a lot of the Asian countries are saying you just can't come here if you don't have one, and so I and a lot of countries are going to start to require one. So it's not our country but I think it's just the way of the world that's going to eventually push the man towards it. That people are going to say, I don't want to get one, but I would also rather get one than not travel.
Yeah. Yeah. The Biden administration said they'll never do that from a government standpoint. Like if private companies want to do it, like concerts, stadiums, stuff like that, that's up to them. But they said the government will never require, some kind of a vaccine passport to get things done, stuff like that, which is encouraging. You don't want something like that here. GJ.
Yeah, well, that's good though. That they won't require it, but it's it's like it's almost like you're stuck, because you want to get back to normal, but if everything's going to require it, then
Yeah, 100%. I just don't want to be in that position where I feel like I need to stick myself in the arm to do something that I want to do.
Right. Well, because to go to an NFL game, what you guys are saying that they're requiring vaccines. I mean, how in the hell are they going to check for that? I mean, if anybody's ever been to an NFL game, the lines are like hundreds of people deep waiting to get in the door.
Yeah.
What are they going to check ID and your vaccine card on every single person?
Well,
there's no way.
Yeah, I know. Like I said, I hope it doesn't go this way. I'm sure they'll have a system for it, maybe even to buy your ticket, you need to show proof that you got the vaccine. I don't know. So it looks like we're respecting this resistance over here. Previous resistance, we keep rejecting it over here on the 15-minute. 5-minute, we're just ranging over here. So we want price to close below 149,800 before we start coming down. But this high is a little bit lower than this high, which is good. So maybe if you get a pass of the 1 hour, this would be valid, but it's 8 o'clock right now. Getting some New York volume in. You want some kind of a top wick to form. What was that?
It's just a sound. Magic
Who's-
keys, yeah.
Who is trying to turn off their MetaTrader notifications? I think that was
No, it's just
Ali.
this is the sound my PC makes when I open the cat on the magic keys, yeah, you know, on MetaTrader.
Ah. Now, did you get the new Magic Keys, Darius? Is that what that is?
No, the first one I
first-
purchased in December, I think.
Good stuff. Okay, so now the 30-minute looks like it's forming its top wick over here. Or just forming support to continue up. But if we pass the low of this wick over here, we should be heading down because it's a weak body. And you get New York volume coming in. You know, you ranged all pre-New York. Actually, it made a nice move over here, but now we're ranging. Gold still ranging. Just looking like a very promising session. As soon as we came to the charts. EJ, nothing. Let's see. Wow, Pfizer's really stepping up with Johnson and Johnson taking their little hiatus. Let's see. What's everyone's got? What are everyone's plans today? Wow. You guys doing anything special?
Just
Got
work.
work?
Just work.
What's it like being back in the office, Giovanni?
Feels good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was yesterday like your first day?
Monday.
Oh, Monday was? Makes sense.
Yeah, Monday we did a smile design. Nice
Oh,
one.
what?
We did a smile design on Monday.
What's that? Oh, Smile Design?
Yeah, the
Wow.
we did 20 veneers on Monday.
That's crazy. It's awesome. Your brother's still trading.
Mm-hmm.
You guys live together?
Yeah, he just he likes to do GJ and GU,
Okay.
but he has a different style of trading.
How does he trade?
He trades somewhat similar to you guys, but he likes to trade London, and he
Oh,
likes
okay.
to use the Fibonacci's more.
He wakes up early, huh?
Yeah, man, he's a zombie sometimes, man. He wakes up at 3 o'clock, and then he has to go back to sleep and wake up at 8. And I tell him, man, that's not healthy at all, man.
Damn. That's kind of tough.
So he likes to trade with Daniel Savage.
Oh, he trades like live with him?
Yeah, he's on the Zoom call with him.
Oh, nice. Yeah, he's a nut.
He's funny, man.
There he is.
Legit.
I watched his interview with Sean Lee,
Mm-hmm.
and it's on YouTube. Yeah, looks like we're not getting much today. Gold staying in this range. I don't want to trade that. Let's see. Hey Darius, I love your setup, by the way.
Sorry, bro, didn't understand.
I was saying I love your setup, by the way.
Yeah, right now I gotta add more RAM, or 60 gigs, or I don't know. I will say gigabytes in English. Gigs,
Gigs.
gigs of RAM, and then it will be perfect. Yeah, because I actually was I was trading with Paul, and I think you know him.
Yeah.
And he suggested me to make my PC a gaming PC, to not overtrade.
Wait,
so
to make it a gaming PC and not to overtrade?
Yeah, just to to chill out when to not open the charts when I'm done with my trading time. To make something else.
Yeah.
For the night, and it worked for the first times. It worked. Just
Nice.
to not analyze or over trading. Yeah, it worked. Just playing code.
Yeah, it's I've definitely noticed that with you, where it's you really want to study a lot, right?
Yeah. These days is it's hard. It's hard because there's too much of information, too many informations that when I first study, when I first go through the basics or advanced concept, the impulse entries and everything. Also looking at the news on Forex Factory, there are a lot of new things for me. No one ever talked about me about FOMC or NFP at school, so it's interesting, but it's a lot of new things.
Yeah, it's what I suggest for you to do is you can always go into Forex Factory and then go to these events, some of the red folder events and the orange folder events, click on them and just put all the stuff into a database, and then go back to these dates on the chart and see how price reacted to that news. Now, when it comes to somebody speaking like that, you're not really going to trade that. But when it comes to unemployment or NFP or CPI, some of these bigger events, that's something that you could go back and back test and see how price reacted to that news at that time. So that'll give you a lot. And then also throughout the day, and I highly recommend you get the simulator, Soft4fx.
Yeah. I already tried something similar with the Rewind with TradingView, something similar, but I know it's not the same, but it helped me so much.
I'm sorry, what was that?
The Rewind function on TradingView, when you go to replay, or I don't know how it is called, you can go backwards and then...
Yeah, that's always great too.
I used to make it so I didn't have the simulator, but something similar with TradingView, so
yeah,
it helped me.
Yeah, both are good. Both are good. So Justin, you're looking for a sell at the resistance over here on gold?
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of rejection.
Yeah.
And in higher time frame, the 1750 looks like a resistance.
Yeah.
So the 15-minute candle was pushing up a lot higher, but it has since retraced. I was hoping for a cleaner move up, so coming down would be a little bit easier. But excuse me, but that doesn't look like it's happening. So
yeah,
wait and see, I guess.
Thing is, if we come up to this resistance over here, that means the 4-hour flips bullish. Right over here. And if the 4-hour flips bullish up here, are we going to continue bullish to retest these wicks and then continue up? That's just what I see, because then you're making a higher low. You know, we never passed the low of this candle over here. So if we flip bullish over here, that would tell me that, you know, we're creating a support, coming down to retest it real quick and then heading up. But we would have to close above 1748.200 for that to happen. But it's just like exhausting over here with gold. Let's see, where's GJ? Chris, what's up, buddy? Yeah, so what are we looking at over here? Yeah, GJ, we got a significant area right here at 149,900. We got all these wick rejections to the left. You got this wick rejection over here to the left as well. And price is having some issues over here, trying to close below this area to continue down to retest these lows. And we're making lower lows and lower highs. If you look over here, I know Darius doesn't like the trend lines, but but yeah, we're making lower highs over here, pushing down. We passed the low of this candle over here, made a bottom wick. Now we're retracing a little bit to form that bottom wick. And now we're going to come down and fill it and retest this area down here, 149,600. Nasty. We starting to react to this level now. Could that be a potential little fake out? Again, I want a clear close below this level or pass of this wick over here on the 1 hour, which would tell me that we're going to start coming down. Do some Bloomberg on. Getting a little fake out over here. This previous support and resistance on UK 100 FTSE. Here we go. Japanese currency index is in a bullish trend over here, right? And now we just gapped out. We're continuing bullish over here. Volatility index, excuse me, is pretty low. But now I'm looking at GJ. We're creating like some kind of a fake out over here. We need that pass below this area or a close. But I want to pass below this 1 hour wick. And we, like I said, we should be coming down. What's up, Noah?
Yo, what's good?
How you doing, brother?
Not bad.
You looking at anything?
Nah, I caught it's like 34 pips on GJ last night.
Nice.
I took it from
What up here?
149.88.
49.
Dude, and I set an alarm last night to check at 4:15 and price peaked at 4:30. So I closed my position pretty much at the top, right around like 150.45.
150.45.
I had some partial take profits like throughout the night that hit, but that was where I closed the full position, 150.45.
Did you take it from up here?
I took a buy last night. I took a buy at
I was a buy.
Yeah, like 11:15 last night.
From right down here. You grab this move?
Yeah. You're looking at a 1 hour?
Yes, the 1 hour.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Nice. Where you just saw price bouncing off the support over here?
Yeah, it was showing some bullish momentum like coming into midnight last night, and I just had a feeling that it was going to come back up and at least fill most of that range. So that's why I had to take profits around like 75% of that move, which is pretty much what it made.
Yeah, I saw during Asian price create this low down here, and we were coming up. I was, getting ready for bed, going to bed, all that stuff. So I was just waiting for a resistance to form over here. And when I was looking at the 15-minute, here it was. 15-minute, we created this low down here, and we started coming up. This 15-minute passed the low of this candle right over here. I didn't enter. I was waiting for closes. Then all of a sudden we got the bullish, close up here. Then this candle ended up coming all the way here, rejecting like that. Then we got a support formed. And I was like, what? I'm just going to go to bed. I'm not going to mess with that right now.
Yeah, I think I entered after that 30-minute doji.
Right here?
Yep.
Is this one of Giovanni's sexy candles?
Where?
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah, I was pointing this out the other day too. That I've seen like this wick gets filled. You get a weak bearish body. This wick gets formed, and then you get that close, and then you start to see that that fill right after that. Curious what GJ is doing right now. Just trying to figure out what it wants to do.
Siobhan, the US 30 looks like it wants to break up.
Well, let me check it out. I haven't checked it out.
Yep.
Yep. High possibility that can continue going up. That previous daily candle had a lot of exhaustion.
It's having some issues right over here at 33,715.
Yep.
Yesterday was weird.
You can put out the whole number 33,700, and it's having hard times passing that level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Expecting it. Remember, US 30 likes to go with the whole numbers. Expects it. Yeah. It follows a quarters theory.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty often.
25, 50, 75.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, S&P had a nice move yesterday. Kind of ignored fundamentally everything going on, like with coronavirus and the vaccines and everything. And US 30 just kind of didn't want to make a move. So I think if S&P continues bullish today, I'm going to be looking for buys on US 30.
Well, what do we get the let's see. It's 30. So this was the Johnson & Johnson news. This move right here. And it kind of broke us. Let me see. Been kind of respecting this level over here, and we broke below it with that move. So now we're at this resistance over here. Just having some trouble. But if you break that resistance and close above it, you got a clean move to the left. Kind of correct that Johnson & Johnson move.
That's a lot of pips, man.
Yeah. He's a monster.
That's a monster pay right there.
No, yeah. It's a monster.
But man, if you really understand US 30 and you start being consistent with it, man.
What are treasury yields?
A lot of money. You can make a lot of money with US 30.
Oh yeah. Wow, S&P.
Yeah, Giovanni, you see that dude Q did like 100 bands on US 30 in a day.
Q bands?
Yeah. That's all he trades.
In one day.
That's his pair.
Yeah, he made $1 million in one day on US 30.
Yeah. Wild.
Good for him.
Remember that? I don't know if you guys remember that whole buy that we had once on US 30 that I sent it to you guys.
Yeah.
You guys gonna blow up. He took that same order, bro. He got 90K on that.
Damn. Yeah, I think that was the one that I was looking at. He made like 100 bands almost.
That's a lot of money, bro.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a close right back into this range on the 15-minute time frame. So maybe we get a retest right here and continue down, but the 30-minute candle closed bullish with a wick to fill up here, but it also rejected this area. It's done that multiple times, so we're just stuck in here right now. But with that fake out, I'm looking for that close below here. Throw a little Bloomberg on.
I see us one day making 90K in one day, man.
Fuck yeah.
Why not?
It's like not even a question.
Yo, Steph, I was playing golf yesterday in the evening, and like the first two holes were not going so well, and like I just had that quick thought of like, like the same thing is like, last trade is last trade, and it means nothing about the next trade, and like thinking about that and how we're kind of like relating that back to golf. It just like, fuck my last shot. Like, I either have a brand new hole in front of me or I have another shot in front of me, and it means nothing when I took the last shot. And like that really helped me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Through those couple rough holes. And I'm like, you know what? Like, fuck it. I had a bad shot. Like, this hole's my hole. And it made it so much more just enjoyable. On top of I started playing better too, which is always good.
See you, Justin. Yeah, dude, the connection with golf and trading is, and there was something else that we were comparing it to. It was a good comparison. Golf, something else. Maybe it was James. I can't think of it. It'll come to me. But yeah, there's a lot of connection there. No hole is the same. You finish the 16th hole, you get the 17th hole right after that, and you shouldn't even be thinking about that. Like, it's got nothing to do with it. But people get in their own heads, same thing with the trades.
And that's a sport that I would love to learn how to play in golf.
Golf is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great. So relaxing.
I want to learn how to play it.
Just go to a driving range first you could just look up YouTube videos, different swings, watch Tiger swing, watch, Justin swing, anyone swing, and just start replicating it right in front of the TV. I used to do that with Tiger as a little kid.
Well, I tried doing it with the Wii. Remember the Wii, the Nintendo Wii?
Oh, hell yeah. The best. I watched a video on Instagram of these guys, like what it's like being in the band of the Wii people when they made that song, like the Wii song. It's actually pretty funny. I gotta find it. Bump, down, bump. No longer considered a bulletproof. Yeah, that's crazy what's going on with Jack Ma. Who is that, Gio?
Yo, what's up?
The Jack Ma story?
Oh, yeah. It's just crazy. Like, yeah. How much is it? 2.8 billion?
Yeah. Or 2.4, something like that.
Yeah, CCP just, I think they just want to take control of his company.
Yeah, you can't be too big over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so these 30-minute candles are smaller in that respect, which is good. The 4 hours about to close in 30 minutes. Just saw that, Giovanni.
Bro, those shots hurt, man.
Let me see.
It feels like a knife.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah. Bro, you go straight down. Those liver shots? Oh.
Let me, I gotta find it.
It's like a late reaction kind of like you'll get hit in the liver and then like 2 minutes later, boom, it just hits you out of nowhere.
The purest.
It's actually one of our cranial nerves, and it's this long nerve that starts all the way up near our brainstem, and then basically runs down through almost the entirety of the chest cavity. Parasympathetic or damage to appreciate this one last.
You put everything into that punch?
Yeah, bro, you're gonna take them right down.
I'll follow them. Who do you think is going to win with the Ben Askren Jake Paul fight?
Yeah, I don't know.
I know that's how I feel.
Because he's fighting a UFC fighter in a boxing match.
I know, but Ben Askren's never been a boxer.
Yeah, exactly.
He's been that surprise dude that like will come snatch your leg and there's no way for you to stop it, but he's never been known as a striker.
Exactly. I think there was a boxer. His name was Teofimo Lopez.
Yeah.
He's the one that just beat Lomachenko. And
Lomachenko?
Yeah, he called Jake Paul out. And he's like, "Yo, you want to face the real boxer? Face me. Let's go."
Oh, that's awesome. A lot of people will pay money to watch him lose.
Yeah. He's training now here in Miami now with a Cuban trainer.
Who is Jake Paul?
No, Teofimo Lopez.
Oh, okay.
Did you see the fight with him and Lomachenko?
No.
Hey, look it up, man. You see the highlights. It's a nice fight.
All right, let's see.
And you're gonna see how nice Lomachenko fights, man.
Lopez highlights.
Do you know what his dad did to Lomachenko when he was younger?
No.
He put him in dancing classes.
Like for the sole purpose to like be a boxer?
Because dancing it creates a footwork.
Oh yeah. But like did he put him in the dancing classes like as a boxer Or did he do it, just so that he
He did it so he can prepare him for boxing.
Okay.
To get his footwork ready.
Wow.
Lomachenko's a 2-time Olympian, a gold medalist.
That's awesome.
He entered the professional bout with only like 6 fights, and he was already competing for a title fight.
It's a beast.
No, he when he boxes, bro, it's so beautiful, man. He goes in circles around you.
Insane. Yeah, boxing, like you need the strong legs in boxing.
Yeah,
Boxing
is
is
just
all lower body,
all lower body,
all hips.
turning the hips. It's like baseball.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they have those little hip movements, nice little hip movements. And you gotta be very compact and not that open.
Yeah.
Like my dad taught me, you can't be looking like a duck when you're fighting. Flapping your wings.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you gotta have his elbows in.
Elbows in always.
Your dad big in the boxing?
Yeah, I told you my dad was a professional trainer.
Wow, that's right.
Yeah, he trained Shannon Briggs. He's a heavyweight. He fought Lennox Lewis.
It's pretty insane.
Mm-hmm.
And then he just went into dentistry?
Yeah, my dad actually he won a world title in Thailand. He took a Colombian fighter to Thailand, won the world title over there.
That's awesome.
And then we had another Mexican fighter that he was upcoming.
Mm-hmm.
And we started in Mikosuki's. There's a casino here in Miami.
Okay.
And bro, he was doing amazing. And we got a call from Showtime to start 10 rounds. Once you start 10 rounds in boxing, that means that you're upcoming fighter. And the next couple fights, you could probably get a 12-round fight where you can get a title shot.
Okay.
And that's when you start making money. 10-round fights, you make a lot of money.
Like, what are we talking? What are the purses?
More than 10K.
Okay. It's pretty wild.
You're fighting in Showtime already.
Mm-hmm.
Showtime is top dog.
Oh, 100%. Remember McGregor calling them out during the Mayweather fight?
Mm-hmm. And then we used to my brother, the brother that I had, the adopted brother.
Yeah.
That's what actually got my dad into boxing. He used to train him, and he sent him to the Oscar de la Hoya camp in Las Vegas.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Your twin brother?
No, my adopted brother. He passed away. They ran him over.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that, man.
When I was 7, 8 years old, he was running by a strip club, and a drunk driver just ran him over and left him there.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you
That's
remember a lot about him?
What was that?
You remember a lot about him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I used to go to the boxing gym and see him spar and stuff.
How much older was he than you?
Oh, yeah. When I was 7, he was like 20, 22, 23.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad adopted him.
That's awesome.
Hell of a fighter, bro. Hell of a fighter.
Was he?
Yeah, man. He was in the camp.
He used to live with you guys?
What was that?
He used to live with you guys?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, we bought this 2-story house for him because we had a 1-story at first, and we didn't have room for him. He was sleeping on the floor.
Wow.
So my dad made a promise, hey, I'm gonna work my ass off, and I'm gonna get you a room.
Yeah.
When we bought this house, and things happen, bro.
That's awesome.
Yeah, man. It's what it is, man.
Shit happens, man.
And we never found the guy, bro.
Really? It was a hit and run?
Hit and run, man. And it was back in the day when the cameras were black and white.
Yeah.
Nah, cameras are color.
Some dude has blood in his hands. He's gonna do it again. Shame. Don't drink and drive, kids.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we got nothing over here on GJ. Gold as well. You know, we're just ranging here. Gold actually, the 4 hour over here flipped bullish. Right? But we need to close above 1748 600 or maybe 300 for price to continue right back up to 1757. That's what I've been looking at. You see these multiple candle rejections on the 1 hour up here. So you need to close above that area for price to continue bullish to 1757. Right? Over here on the 30-minute, again, multiple rejections. Looks like we're breaking up. You know, if you look at this structure right over here, price was pushing up over here. It looked like we were forming support, continuing up. This candle pushing through, and then guess what? You get faked out right away. So that's why it's so important. Same thing right over here. All right, we form support. Now, you know, we get in at a better price, or banks get in at a better price, and then they start taking price up. Looks like we're breaking above, and then boom, you just get faked out. So you got to wait for the close above that area for you to take something like that.
Like your counter trends, man.
What's up?
I like your counter trends.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Whatever makes sense. You got to be fluid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, once you when it comes to indicators or trend lines and stuff, once you start getting a little crazy with them, then it's like you start getting confused, or it's holding you back from taking any kind of trades. You just want to stay out and bring it back to the basics. But when things make sense, when price is following a trend, and you see that trend break, and you get like a retest plus with the support and resistance, getting that break and retest to that level too, that's pretty big. That'll help you out. Wow, look at GJ. Rejecting again. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna head off, have some breakfast. I gotta head out and go up to the city. But yeah, I'm gonna watch the highlights for that fight, Giovanni. And guys, have a great day. Back test. Darius, if you need me for the magic keys, please reach out. I'll help you out. See if I can. Hopefully I can. But most of the time I can. But if you want to just watch the video on their website, that should be enough for you. But if you have any trouble past that, then I'll do my best to help you out.
Thank you for everything, bro.
Of course, man. Gio, Chris, I'll see you guys later.
Talk to you later, man.
All right, man. Have a good day, all right?
Thanks, buddy.
See you, man.